Hey everybody, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. And just for fun today, I decided to pull out the Tornado high-powered extractor and steam clean a pretty nasty carpet just to see what the results would be. I'm not planning on getting back into steam cleaning, but I thought it would make for kind of a cool video. There's the Tornado. This is the before picture. You can see the wand and the pool hose there. There's the after results. Holy Toledo. Take a look at those results. Didn't even have to use the triangle brush. There's the before. Here's the after. Probably going to take about 4 hours dry time. Should be fine. There you have it. Back at it again with the carpet cleaning extractor. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode.